We've been invaded by birds. Don't know if you can see them flying through, but they just came out of the forest behind us. The initial swarm was like bats. I meant to break out the DSLR. Don't know if you can see them in the trees. But there are thousands of them. And up until about 10 minutes ago, they were all in those trees over there. So now they've come over here. Holy crap. I don't know if you can see them all flying over there. And here comes the poop. Just missed me. But my guess is they're enjoying that farmer's field over there. Wow. Absolutely amazing.